Well, you guys, this is the third tech I've had from Microsoft, and they're doing the same things, it seems like, over and over and over. So I'm going to just show you what they're doing here. Because this is not helping anything. So the last one tried to download Windows 11 English something or other, and it failed to do so. Now this one asked me if I had the other two texts asked me to download Windows ISO, and I said, well, I'm not sure because we had one that had downloaded quite a bit of stuff. So this one went back to see what it was, and now he's in here doing this stuff, which I'm not even sure, but he's trying to stop stuff. Access is denied. All I want is to be able to get on so I can be role-playing on my classes, and I can't even sign into my porthole to be able to sign on the thin scale that you have to have, which is this right here, to be able to get into there. And if I can't even get into that, I can't even work. So, I mean, I've tried to explain this to them. This is the third time now. Well, actually, I tried to do this a week ago, too. When Elijah was here, I was contacting them, and this is the first time today that I've actually had techs come on here and try to do stuff. I had a Rise tech try to get on there, too, and he says, I can't help you. There's nothing I can do. You got to get a hold of Microsoft. This is their problem, not ours. And I did. They told me to download something. I did it and said it would fix it. And I emailed them back, told them that it didn't fix it. And now I'm on here again today trying to get this done. I've been with tech support since, I think, 11 o'clock this morning. And it's 4:15 right now. So you're talking like 5 hours I've already been on here with them. This is ridiculous. Just ridiculous. See, and that's the thing that it's trying to do, and it's not updating it. And all it is a glitch. Well, it's doing a little more than what it was doing before, wasn't it? And this pause thing right here, you can't even like unpause that. It says pause for one more week, pause for one more week. You've already paused too many times or something like that. It was stating to me, and I was like, oh, this is stupid. See, then it brings back up that Hewlett Packard. So this is what I've got to say. I got to take back over control just to at least push it so then they can go on further. Windows is not running very well at all. So I thought I'd keep you guys here just to keep watching. I know this is a video probably nobody wants to see, but I'm trying to just to do it just so people can maybe figure things out. I'll be right back. I gotta run to the bathroom real quick. Alright, just waiting on that to do that. Got a couple slivers in my fingers I'm trying to deal with. What's this? Install Windows 11. Yeah, actually I've got that. Zero X C 19001010 dash. I think that's a 0x 400. I was trying to write that on there. Oh, 40017. Pull that anymore, can I? So the last update for Windows 11 was 2021. He's writing something. Yeah, I need to take some more Tylenol. My head is starting to hurt. My back hurts. Go make me a hot green tea, probably. Jamie, is your case window repair will not work because you are facing this error? We will need to do a custom installation which will solve your problem for sure. With custom installations, all the third-party applications will be uninstalled and personal data will be removed of Windows. Old folders you can reinstall in third-party applications and recover the data from Windows. Old folder. Okay. So how do we do that? Pretty much got to restart the computer and start over again is what he's saying. It's pretty much what he's saying. So I don't have a problem getting into working solutions. It's just Arise that I'm having this to deal with. I have a DVD drive. Yes. Man, you can hear the wind blowing outside. It's supposed to be 40 to 50 mile per hour winds. If I could speak. I can see he's writing stuff, but I don't know like when it's gonna pop up, what he's gonna say. I don't know anything like this. I'm not a tech expert when it comes to how to fix things on computers. Elijah's more tech savvy than me. I mean, I know a little bit. I can get into stuff, but other than that, nope. Okay, it says, Jamie, as your system will restart in the process, we will be disconnected. I can show you the steps and you will need to do these 3 steps only. Your system will restart automatically and the error will be gone. Okay. Okay, so setup. I'm gonna go to set up. And I gotta press this. Then I go to setup. Go to setup and put no thanks. Okay. And then click. Okay, and then next, custom, and make sure it's in the Windows C. And then next, okay. Click and then setup. Yep. Okay. Alright, so that's ended. I most likely won't have anything here. I want to actually leave this. Leave. So he says, come here to set up. And then say yes. And then I go to no thanks. Hit yet, accept, next, custom only, it's in the C drive, hit next, push the patient you have chosen, searching files of previously Windows, hit OK. So it's copying the window files, supposedly. %, done. Getting files ready for installation, 0%, 4%, 6%, 8%, 10%, 12%, 14%, 17%, 18%, 20%. Windows needs to restart to continue. Restarting in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll see if this works, everybody. I got so many little yellow sticky notes everywhere. They're just, my husband's like, this actually looks like an office. You got sticky notes everywhere. No kidding. That's because I write on them. I write little notes on them everywhere. Okay, it says installing Windows, getting files ready for installation, 20%, 22%, 24%. Oh, it's got a ways to go. We're going to be here a while. But we're going to see, everybody, if it actually deletes everything like he said it would. It's supposed to be on my something D Windows C drive. Will be all my stuff on. Collecting information to installing Windows. We're at 81%. We're at 90%. You know, for me being hooked up directly to the Ether cable, because that's how you have to be when you work remotely, because Wi-Fi isn't safe. This is not going as fast as I thought it would be. It says installing features. Installing updates. Finishing, it says. Windows needs to restart to continue. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I wonder if it has to restart every feature that Windows produces for Windows 11. If that's the case, we're going to be here a while. The last time it did this, well, maybe not. Last time it did this, it took like 40 minutes. And then it didn't even install. It had an error. Starting services. Getting device ready, 100% getting ready. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's probably not a good area where I have you at. Well, I guess what I'll do is just go ahead and end this video right here, and then I'll come back on and let you guys know if it worked or not. It's the only thing I can really do, otherwise this video is going to be like 40 minutes long.